Hello, this is CJ with CJ's DIY channel, and if you've been following my DIY pool cleaning videos, this is part 3 of that series. This will be the last part. The pool's pretty much clean already. It's been 24 hours since I put the salt in the pool, and so now I'm going to turn the salt water generator on, and so all you do is it's got a switch here on the back, so we'll turn that on, and it's got a memory, so it keeps the memory from the last time that it was ran, even though it was last year. So I had it set up last year to run for 5 hours a day, and so what it'll do and I don't know why that's flashing on the screen, but it's just a weird video deal, but it's set for 5 hours, and so what it'll do is after 5 hours it'll go into sleep mode, and then 24 hours from now it'll come back on, so it'll run every day for 24 hours, or I'm sorry, every 24 hours it'll come on and run for 5 hours, and then it just repeats itself every day, so you don't ever have to do anything with it. It's all done. Got everything vacuumed out, and I did all this cleaning with no chemicals. I added no chemicals to this pool whatsoever. The only thing I added was the salt for the salt water generator, and so this is how it looks after the winter, after I've just scrubbed it, ran it through the sand filter and the salt water system, and this is the results that I get. I've done it this way now for about 7 years, and it works great every time. So, but you can see how crystal clear it is. It does a really good job. I know a lot of people don't like saltwater pools. You can taste the salt in the water a little bit. It's a lot less than, say, ocean water. It's a lot less salt content than that, but the salt water is hard on metal components and whatnot around the pool, but other than that, it works really well. Like I said before, it's really low maintenance, and which is what I like. That way I've spend my time doing something else rather than taking care of the pool all the time. So, but I apologize for the wind. It is very windy today, but thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment and subscribe.